The AWOL Vision LTV-3500 Pro isn't just another projector. It's a revolution in home entertainment, designed for those who crave a true cinematic experience without leaving the living room. This 4K ultra-short-throw laser TV delivers stunning visuals, powerful sound, and a massive display that transforms your wall into a full-blown theater screen. Right away, the level of brightness catches attention. With 3,500 ANSI lumens, the picture remains vivid and clear even in bright environments. Whether sunlight is streaming into your space or you're watching in a dimly lit room, the LTV-3500 Pro handles it with ease. Its advanced laser technology ensures longevity, consistent light output, and instant startup. No waiting, no warm-up time. The combination of Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support brings lifelike contrast and color depth that's hard to match. Every pixel shines with precision, revealing details you didn't notice before. Dark scenes look deeper, highlights pop brighter, and color transitions appear buttery smooth. It's not just sharper, it's cinematic. What sets this unit apart is how it blends powerful visuals with equally immersive sound. Built-in Dolby Atmos audio surrounds you with dimensional sound that moves naturally with the action on screen. The result is a room-filling experience where explosions boom, dialogue stays crisp, and soundtracks feel alive. For a true theater vibe, it's a perfect all-in-one solution. And here's where it gets even better. The package includes a 180-inch matte white screen, the MW180. This screen is tailored to pair with the laser output of the projector, ensuring optimal reflection, perfect color balance, and stunning clarity from corner to corner. It's plug-and-play simplicity that delivers top-tier performance straight out of the box. The LTV-3500 Pro's ultra-short-throw design allows you to project up to 150 inches from just a few inches away from the wall. That's ideal for small spaces where a long-throw projector wouldn't fit. With true 4K resolution, every image looks refined and ultra-detailed, whether you're gaming, streaming, or watching a blockbuster movie. It even supports 3D playback, and the bundle includes a pair of 3D glasses to complete the experience. For those who love immersive content, this feature takes entertainment to another dimension. Literally. Connectivity options are wide and versatile. Multiple HDMI ports, USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi make it compatible with almost any streaming device, gaming console, or home theater accessory. Lag-free response ensures that games play smoothly and fast-moving scenes stay sharp. Durability is another strong point. The laser light engine is rated for over 25,000 hours, so it's built for long-term reliability and consistent performance. The overall design looks elegant and modern. Sleek lines, minimal footprint, and a finish that blends seamlessly into any setup. In terms of performance, the LTV-3500 Pro stands among the elite. It's bright enough for daytime viewing, sharp enough for 4K HDR content, and versatile enough for gaming and streaming. The pairing of Dolby Vision visuals and Dolby Atmos sound creates a theater-quality experience that feels premium in every sense. Simply put, this isn't a projector meant for casual watching. It's designed for people who want the best. The 180-inch bundle setup brings the big screen thrill without needing a massive room or professional installation. Every part of the experience feels well thought out, from the picture quality to the sound dynamics. If you're ready to upgrade to a truly cinematic lifestyle, the AWOL Vision LTV-3500 Pro is one of the most complete and advanced laser TV bundles available today. The link to learn more or get your own is in the description. Once you see what it can do, you'll never look at regular TVs the same way again.